Saucy Babies. It's your girl, Saucy Girl Desi, and today we're going to be making blue Hawaiian cocktails, one frozen and one over ice. Alright, so let me tell y'all why blue Hawaiians are super special to me. When I was a teenager, I would go to BBQs all the time and literally order blue Hawaiians. It was like the best drink I've ever had. And of course, it was a virgin. But, quick story time, y'all. Let me tell y'all how I was like 17, I think like 16, 17 years old. I went to this BBQs. I'm not going to say the location because I'm not about to blow them up. But they did not card me. And they gave your girl a Texas-size blue Hawaiian. Child, I walked out of that place stumbling, okay? Stumbling, but it was so good that I was not going to tell them no. Who am I to tell you no?
Okay.
But yes, we're going to be making something called a chichi pinacolada cocktail, which is because we're going to be using some vodka instead of your normal coconut rum. But y'all, I promise you, a chichi cocktail is pretty much like the same thing as a regular pina colada. It just has a little difference in flavor, but promise you it tastes just as good. I can't wait. We're about to dive right into it, like right now. Hey, yeah, I had to sit down for this real quick just to tell y'all. Chichi cocktail blue Hawaiian, if I was not specific. It's still blue Hawaiian, y'all, but because my dog does not respect my recording time. Like, she just doesn't. She just does not. Come make your cameo. Come make your little cameo. Because since you want to play with your toy in my video. Say hi. Say hi. All right, we about to jump in it. We're going to start off with our ice. I think that's enough ice. Put that to the side. Honestly, this Chichi Blue Hawaiian version is super simple. We're going to put some Amsterdam coconut. It's literally 3 ingredients, y'all. And what I just poured is possibly about, I want to say like 4 ounces. But y'all know I don't measure, so we straight up sauced over here. Got our pineapple juice. Got literally 3 ingredients, y'all. Got pineapple juice down. And the last ingredient is some blue curacao. Some blue curacao. We're gonna pour that right on top. Look at that baby. And there you have it. Our Chichi Blue Hawaiian cocktail. I finally got it right, y'all. It is time for the frozen. My favorite, honestly. Yeah, y'all about to see. I'm not even gonna say no more. You're gonna take the whole Coco Lopez and put it inside of your blender. And then you're gonna add some pineapple juice. Like I said, I don't measure, but I hope you guys are able to see what the vibe is. And then we're gonna take some more of our Amsterdam coconut. Yep. And we're gonna take this to the blender to blend right up, because our last addition is going to be this blue curacao. Time to pour this bad boy in. Ooh. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh. Oh my God. I love me a good pina colada. Honestly, y'all, I could drink it this way as well. But we're gonna add our blue carousel because we are here to make chi blue Hawaiian cocktails. Okay. Just pour some in there. I got a little crazy with the pouring. I know y'all seen that, but period, y'all. Period. Look at this. Look at this baby. Oh my God, y'all. Remember, we used all the same ingredients for our cocktail, but we added this bad boy in with some ice and blended it up for a frozen chi blue Hawaiian cocktail. Sauce responsibly, y'all. I'm about to tear this up. I just want to show y'all how cute it gets when you blend it all in. Look at that blue. Why did I grab it like that? Whew. So good. This is my baby. Oh my God, y'all. Tell BBQs, come see Straight Up Sauce because this, y'all, and that's a wrap. Sauce responsibly.